Hello friends, in this video, we intend to go through the steps of opening an account with Capital.com through the Tradingfinder website. We will enter the review section related to Forex brokers, select Capital.com and click on the Go to Website option. The page related to Capital.com will open for us, and we will click on the Sign Up option and complete the account opening details in this section. We enter the email address that we haven't used to open an account with this broker before, along with a password. That includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. And we click on the Continue option. In this section, you will see a code asking which country you reside in, and you must declare that you are not a US citizen. For this option, you click and select Continue. At this stage, you enter your first and last name and select the Continue option. At this stage, you enter your date of birth and click on the Continue option. In the next section, you need to enter your residential address information. And you click on the Continue option. In this section, you will see that an email has been sent from the broker to your registered email address for verification. You go to your email and you click on the Complete Registration option. In this section, the page related to Capital.com opens. We click on the trading platform and we enter the trading cabinet at Capital.com. In this section, you see a box related to all the terms and conditions of the Capital.com broker. We click on the Confirm option and open another email sent by the broker for confirming your email address. Then we click on Confirm Email. Your email address has been successfully accepted by the broker, and your account opening is complete. In future videos, we will go through the identity verification steps with this broker step by step together, wishing you success and profitability.